Here they come, a big rally in Baltimore County tonight as the community struggles to answer a question with no easy answer. What's best for our kids and families when it comes to learning during this pandemic? The district plans to reopen schools for students with special needs next month. And while we talk to teachers tonight who say it's still not safe, there were also parents on hand who say their kids are suffering right now. Let's turn it over to WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland to explain the effort to come up with a new plan where all the schools follow CDC guidelines. Ray?
Baltimore County teachers say they want to go back into the classroom as much as anyone else. They miss seeing their students' faces in person, but these teachers feel the virus is still a very real threat, and they believe a return would do more harm than good.
None of the children want to be without school. I completely get that, but it's just not safe.
Dozens of Baltimore County teachers came together for a rally in Towson to protest the school district's plan that will bring students with special needs and teachers back into the classroom next month.
If BCPS continuously states that the safety and health of our students and staff have always been our top priorities, then what is the rush?
Teachers fear opening separate day schools where kids with underlying conditions attend could prove to be dangerous for everyone involved and possibly deadly for some.
It's just completely unsafe right now for these children to be in the school environment. We are risking their very lives. How can we safely reopen if we cannot follow the CDC strategies for mitigation?
Currently, the district's plan is to open those schools for students on November 16th, while others continue virtual learning until January.
Because we're not against in-person learning. We just want to make sure it is done safely.
President of the Teachers Association of Baltimore County, Cindy Sexton, wants the board to work with the union to come up with a safe and sustained reopening plan that ensures schools can follow CDC guidelines.
We want to make sure the plan is fully developed before we send educators back to the schools.
As a caravan of teachers went off to the Board of Education building, they were met by parents and students who are demanding for schools to reopen.
Our kids are suffering.
Susan Faubel was one of the parents. She has 2 kids who go to county schools. She says virtual learning is not working for them.
We realize that there are individuals who do not feel safe going into the classroom, and there should be virtual options available for those individuals.
And a spokesperson for Baltimore County Schools sent us a statement saying the district will continue to work with families and staff on its plan. The district says it's listening to the county's health experts, adding, quote, families will continue to have a virtual learning model to choose from if they have concerns about in-person instruction, end quote. Reporting in Towson, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.